4-layer overlay using EVO Contour. Analyze nails to determine procedure and base gel choice. This is a short but hard nail with flexible cuticles. The treatment choice is dry prep with a 4-layer overlay using EVO Contour as a base gel. Start the treatment with dry preparation. 3-in-1 base layer application. Gripping foundation layer. Use very little gel. Tilt your brush to an 80-degree angle and apply firm pressure to press the product down into the nail plate for better adhesion. Start the application in the center of the nail and draw the brush downwards past the free edge. Then cover the left and right sides of the nail. Pull away the nail wall and apply very closely around the cuticle and side walls. Avoid touching the cuticle or skin. Smooth application layer. Load more gel onto the brush tip and tilt to 45 degrees for less pressure on the gel brush. Apply a smooth layer starting at the center of the nail, drawing downwards past the free edge. Cover the right and left sides and slide the brush down to seal the free edge. Use the tip of the brush to pick up the gel from the free edge. Then use overlapping strokes to apply the gel down the center of the nail, moving towards the left and right barrel sides and side walls. Slide the brush down at the free edge to leave the remaining gel from the brush on the free edge. Do not cure. Reinforce layer. Use the side of the brush to lightly draw the gel from the free edge towards zone 2 to cover and fill the dip, spreading the gel into the stress area and stress corners in zone 2. Use a metal pick to remove product that may have touched the skin. LED cure for 30 seconds. Apply gel to one nail at a time and cure after each application. Cleanse and refine. Refining by swiftly buffing the free edge before applying colors is recommended for optimum wear. Apply the first layer of color. Prepare the EVO brush. Remove excess product from the shaft of the brush. Apply the gel to the center of the nail, drawing the brush past the free edge. Repeat left and right side strokes, ensuring that the side walls and lower curves are properly covered. Offload gel at the free edge to seal the C curve and leave product at the center point of the free edge. Take a small amount of product from the free edge to the cuticle and apply overlapping strokes, detailing a neat cuticle outline. Proceed with smooth brush strokes covering the nail. Cure for 30 seconds. The second layer of color must be a smooth layer application with less pressure on the gel brush to achieve color intensity. Prepare the brush, but for the second layer, pick up a little bit more product on the tip of the brush. Apply the gel to the center of the nail, drawing the brush past the free edge. Repeat left and right side strokes, ensuring that the side walls and lower curves are properly covered. Offload gel at the free edge to seal the C curve and leave product at the center point of the free edge. Take a small amount of product from the free edge to the cuticle and apply overlapping strokes, detailing a neat cuticle outline. Cure for 30 seconds. Proceed with EVO Gloss top coat. Five-layer overlay with upper arch on long nails using EVO Contour. This nail is slightly scooped, therefore the overlay will include an upper arch. Prepare the nail. Apply gripping and smooth layers. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a wetting layer for the upper arch to self-level, but do not cure. Use the EVO brush to apply a drop at the center point of the free edge. Use the upper arch brush to pull the drop towards zone 2. Repeat upward and inward soft strokes on the left and the right to form the arch and the apex in the center of the nail behind the free edge. Allow to self-level or turn the finger upside down to form a natural arch. Cure for 30 seconds. Cleanse and shape. Continue with color overlay.